It depends.
Hello. All right. I think we're live right now. So we have our countdown in the live, and yeah, we have waited for 5 minutes, and we have currently three viewers right now. So uh hi sa inyo dyan, three
Happy
viewers, or
Saturday. Ano ba
happy
'yan?
Saturday for
Bedroom
you.
voice pa tayo today, Adi. 'Pag mga
So
night shift kayo
actually,
'pag ganitong oras medyo parang kakagising niyo pa lang, 'di ba, parang kami.
yes. So I hope you are excited with our topic right now because we have a very special guest that we have for today. And etong guest na to is not new to us because dito sa Smart VAs Academy, he really excel dito sa academy natin because he is the one na pioneer sa course natin sa Smart VAs Academy, which is the social media management course. And he is now our VA. So to introduce himself also, we will welcome him. So welcome to the stage, Brent.
Hi everyone. Hello
Hello,
po.
Brent. So Brent is currently our social media management VA or one of our social media management VAs in Smart VAs right now. So he's um, he came from Smart Base Academy, so he took one of our courses in Smart Base Academy, which is the social media management course, and now he's with us in Smart VAs doing tasks for clients and doing social media management for clients. And without further ado, I will let him introduce himself. Brent, can you introduce yourself briefly for our audience for this afternoon?
Hi everyone. I'm Brent and I am a social media VA at Smart VAs.
All right. Okay, are you
Oh,
excited
thanks,
right
Brent.
now with our topic? I know we have a lot of, you have a lot of stories that you can tell to our audience with your experience, with the course that you took from Smart VAs Academy, and all of the exciting experience that you have because um, I know naman na ano eh, 'di ba? Hindi naman bago sa yung pagiging or bago pala sa yung pagiging social media manager. And yung course na naturo sa sa Smart Face Academy, how it helps you or how it helped you when it comes to being a social media manager right now, ano ba yung mga experiences mo, and also we're talking about your experiences, 'di ba, sa Smart VS Academy, and then now you are now an official virtual assistant, which is ito din naman yung goal natin, 'di ba, sa Smart VAs Academy, na makatulong sa mga aspiring virtual assistant na magsimula, 'di ba, sa kanilang journey as virtual assistant. So, do you have anything with that, Miss Reg, to add on that?
No, I think you shared it very well, Adi, when it comes to the goal of Smart VAs. And it's our dream talaga. When we were starting Smart VAs Academy, it was one of our dreams to be able to feature our students and their journey to success. And I'm not sure if you guys know, and I don't want to say so much because baka mawala na lang sasabihin si Brent. Story ni Brent to. Si Brent talaga yung bida sa live na to, hindi kami.
Yeah.
Pero ang ganda, if you've seen, we featured Brent on our social media accounts, and his story in a way. So why not let's just pass on the floor to Brent to talk about his story, primarily starting as a fresh graduate and how he actually tried to look for opportunities after graduating. How about we start with that, Brent?
Yes.
Yes. After grad, syempre, ganap tayo ng trabaho, job hunting phase tayo. And sa job hunting phase na yon, ang daming opportunities na possible makuha. But suddenly, ang hanap ng mga companies talaga is either may experience or yung may experience talaga yung hinahanap nila nung panahon na naghanap ako ng trabaho. And then, may mga companies na siguro 6 months ako naghahanap, siguro 50 applies for a day yung quota ko. And may mga companies na hindi nagre-reply, and yung mga nagre-reply is actually rejection email. And yung iba, na-interview ako online, but ayun nga, sobrang baba ng offer and on-site pa din malayo. And alam niyo yun, yung offer nila sa akin is parang pamasahe ko lang yun in a month papunta ng trabaho. So, yung magiging life ko nun is papasok lang ako sasahod lang ako para pumasok ulit next month. So, parang ganun yung magiging cycle ng life ko nun. And ayoko mag-settle sa ganun. So, hinold ko muna kasi alam kong may darating pang opportunities sa akin. And hanapin ko yon. So, ayun, na-introduce ako sa Smart VAs ng pinsan ko. Shout out kay Sir Lexi.
Wow, Sir Lexi talaga. Pinsan na, sir pa din, ah.
Kay Kuya Bel, yan. Kay Kuya Bel. Shout out kay
Yan,
Kuya
kay
Bel.
Kuya
Yan.
Bel. Pero
Na-introduce niya ako
grabe,
sa
ah.
Smart.
Grabe yung sorry, Brent. Grabe, before you continue with how you transition to Smart VAs Academy from that experience, grabe din, no? Ano yung, well, ang tagal ko na rin naman kasing hindi fresh grad. Haller. Pero grabe yung experience na na mag-a-apply ka as a fresh graduate, tapos lahat nung mga applyan mo, gusto nila experience.
Yes po.
So,
Sobrang
meron,
yun nga po, nakaka-frustrate yung fact na yun sa mga companies ngayon. Especially around my area. Siyempre, ayoko din po lumayo dahil nga minimum wage na, tapos lalayo ka pa lalo ng ng location, di lalo kang natalo nun sa life. So, ayun, either naghahanap ako ng work from home or malapit lang.
and your course, Brent, what did you finish?
I finished IT, BSIT.
Oh, madami
And
ang
mm,
nagbe-BSIT, 'di ba? So if
yes,
that was
and
your
yung
experience,
yung market po talaga nun during that time is agawan din po talaga ng opportunities. Especially sobrang small lang po ng mga open na positions. So yung competition po is sobrang higpit. Kahit yung mga tenured na po sa IT is kasama pa po sila sa mga competitors ko that time.
Yun nga, di
So,
ba? As an IT graduate, I think IT is a very in-demand course right now.
mm,
Marami din akong kilala na graduate ng IT, and also may mga students right now na kilala din ako na nag-IT sila ngayon. So, with your experience as an IT graduate, tingin mo ba magagamit talaga nila yung skills sila after they graduate, and then they will apply all the learnings that they learned in
mm,
college, and then apply it after, 'di ba? Kahit na
mm,
I know that you have applied for various positions and roles, 'di ba? Pero can you say talaga na very competitive pa din yung ganong industry when it comes to yan sa mga fresh graduates?
mm. Sa ngayon, dahil mga companies, akala ko kasi dati, ito yung expectation ko talaga nun. After ko grad, ah, pag may diploma ka, parang bibigyan ka nilang ng
Mm.
opportunity na na i-train kahit for a month. Pero ayun, so far hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganung opportunity. Yung iba diretso na
Mm.
talaga. And ayun, yun yung expectations ko. Pero yung nagagamit ko ngayon sa IT is yung mga natutunan ko during IT na gumagamit kasi ako ng computer, and ayun. So, experience na din sa computer kasi ever since bata pa ako, na-introduce na ako sa computer, and yun, sa mga designing, nagagamit din naman yan sa course namin. Pero ano lang siya, hindi siya sobrang priority kasi nasa more on coding kami nun back in the day nung
Mm.
nasa college. More on programming, more on back end. And parang yung ko kasi, yung naging hobby ko nun is parang sa designing.
Wow.
And nagkaroon kasi ako ng phase, simula pa nung high school to senior high. Nagkaroon ako ng phase na puro YouTube lang ako.
Oo.
Na yun. Sa mga vloggers, and yun, parang na-appreciate ko yung content creation nila, yung editing ng videos. So, iba't ibang style, iba't ibang way kung paano mo ipo-portray yung gusto nilang mood na ma-portray sa video. So, ayun yung mga na-adapt ko sa hobby niyan. And ayun, surprising kasi yung hobby na turn siya sa productivity. And ngayon, yung parang yun nga, naging part na siya ng work ko as a VA. Na-apply ko siya ng sobra.
so dahil siguro kilala ka ni Kuya Bel or ni Lexi. Sa mga hindi nakakala, si Kuya Bel or si Lexi is our client services manager at Smart VAs. And because of that, you shared how you had that phase in your life where you were so hooked into YouTube and all the
Mm.
social media stuff, and that's why napunta ka dun sa graphics and video editing.
Mm.
And because siguro kilala ka ni Lexi, and please correct me if I'm wrong, kaya na niya na-introduce sa'yo yung academy.
Mm.
But I think, if I remember it right, you applied first before ka nag-academy. Can you share a little bit about
Ah,
that?
yes. Ayun po. Actually, after grad, nag-apply ako sa Smart VAs and na-reject ako after I think ilang months after ko mag-apply. Nagkaroon ako ng email na rejection. So, ang naging choice ko talaga nun, ah mag-ano muna ako, magse-settle muna ako sa sa work for experience lang. Wala na akong paki sa sahod. Para yun, once na mag-apply ulit ako sa Smart VAs is may experience na ako. So, ayun yung parang naging plano ko para makapasok sa Smart VAs. Kasi kahit anong mangyari, parang yung end game ko talaga is sa Smart VAs. Parang ito talaga yung target ko na company, which is sobrang comfortable kasi nasa bahay ka lang, lalabas ka lang pag yun, mag-chill ka lang sa labas and hindi ka na ma-hassle sa biyahe. So, ayun, end game ko talaga is Smart VAs. So, yun. Wala. Parang wala na akong sinisilip na ibang company na parang i-build ko yung sarili ko para sa Smart VAs. Kaya, yun, in-enroll ako sa Smart VAs Academy ni Kuya Bel. Nag-enroll ako sa Smart VAs Academy, nakita ko yung social media management. Kasi narinig ko na yung social media management before kay Sir Lex rin actually. And ayun, nag-deep dive ako dun sa niche na yon ng ng VAs. So, nag-research ako doon, ano yung gagawin, ganito, ganyan. Then, ayun, one day, nagsabi Sir Lexi, mag-enroll daw ako sa course sa Smart VAs Academy. Then, in-enroll niya ako. And dun sa course na yon sobrang actually saglit lang yung course na yun, kaya siyang tapusin ng 2 to 3 hours yata. And doon sa 2 3 hours na yun, puro basics siya, pero yung basics na na expandable, hindi yung basics na haharangan ka lang na na hanggang basics ka na lang. Kumbaga yung basics na ibibigay sa iyo ng instructor sa which is si SPL Miguel, yung basics na ibibigay niya sa iyo is expandable talaga. Kumbaga kaya siyang i-expand sa style na gusto mo para sa clients na and sa service na ibibigay mo.
Ang galing, no? Ang galing ng pag-transition ni Brent from someone who applied and was rejected. And I can't remember why you were rejected. For the benefit of our viewers and those who will watch the recording, um, yung recruitment process kasi ng Smart Face, sobrang linis na niya step by step na may clear-cut decisions made on every
Mm.
step. So, I couldn't, that pala tinignan natin, Adi, kung ano yung reason ng pagka-reject kay Brent at that time. Pero ang galing, Brent, how you shifted from that mindset na maghahanap ka ng work from home to having a mindset na gusto mo talaga sa Smart VAs and how you'll work just to get experience para lang
Mm.
makapasok ka sa Smart VAs.
Mm.
Ano, and when you took the course, I'm sure you took the free course of how to become a VA. And part of that course, we talk about agency and freelancing with an agency or direct to client, which we will talk
Mm.
about soon. I'm sure we will have a live session about that soon kasi alam ko sought after topic din yan. But what made you
Oops.
decide? Wala, nawala si Brent.
Wait po.
Wait lang daw, sabi nung cat ng camera ni Brent.
Looking for the phone. Ang cute
Na-disconnect
naman
po.
ng cat.
Because we are
Naka-drive ka.
live, wala tayong control sa technical
Yes.
issues.
Technical,
Ano ba yan?
technical difficulties.
Ang malas
Technical
naman.
issues. Pero naririnig ka pa rin naman namin, Brent.
Yes,
Correct.
wait po. Medyo nagka-crash
Sige
yung
lang.
phone ko.
Pero habang inaayos ni Brent yung phone niya, yung I was leading towards the question na parang what made you decide to go to smart VAs instead of direct to client, 'di ba? While you were doing your
Mm.
research, while you were looking for experience in your goal to get inside or get into smart VAs and work with the smart VAs team, ano yung naka-inspire sa'yo doon? Bakit hindi ka na lang nag-direct to client?
Mas gusto ko po kasi yung yung structure na social media VA lang ako. As in, kasi ayun nga po, since I'm still learning pa sa industry, so why not social media lang muna for now. Kasi ayun nga, once na direct to client, handled mo na lahat from website to social media to to different kinds of task na parang hindi naman yun yung sakop mo. So ngayon gusto ko talaga social media muna. Then later on kapag nagagawa ko na yung social media ng hindi na ako nahihirapan, like sobrang passive na ng skills sa akin, doon ako magdadagdag ng skill sets. So ang bala ko next is website, since IT nga ako. Yun. So ayun yung bala ko sa susunod na siguro sa upscaling ko.
Ganda ng
Nice.
plano mo, Brent, kasi meron ding course na gano'n sa Smart
Yun.
City Academy. O, di ba, nag-plug na naman kami? Meron
Yes.
tayong gano'n. Meron tayong
Yeah.
website. Ano nga website management
Website
ba?
design
Ano?
and
Website
management.
design.
Of course.
Okay, website
Yes.
design and management na course. Bakit ako nagkakamali? Kasi iba yung website design, iba yung website management, at iba yung website
Mm.
development. So,
Mm-mm.
para malaman nyo yung difference ng tatlo, check out Addy's course. Ayan, ang
Yes.
course creator natin for that course ay Addy. And I love how Brent was able to talk about that goal na parang he knows kasi na he will be supported at Smart VAs, which is an agency. And I'm not saying that you will not get this in other agencies, 'di ba? Maybe you can.
Mm-mm.
I'm not sure. But hindi ako naka-try ng ibang agency. But that's true eh. When you work at Smart VAs as an agency, because you have a team, you don't necessarily work alone. And when you work direct to clients, may tendency talaga na they expect flexibility because it's already a saturated industry. Yung freelancing, sobrang dami ng freelancers, kaya nga
Mm.
nauso ng mga
Yes.
digital nomads ngayon, di ba? But because sobrang dami ng freelancers, medyo kailangan competitive ka na sa skill set mo when you
Yes.
work direct to client. So ang ganda ng path na naisip ni Brent. And we're also trying to feature some of our Smart VAs team members before na nag-start like Brent. Hopefully, we'd be able to feature them. Yan yung mga plano namin ni Adi. Yung
Yes.
how you started at an agency and now very successful sila na direct to client. And that's also because they were able to learn things in the agency, which is actually why we were able to develop Smart VAs Academy. So everything that Brent learned sa Smart VAs Academy is actually everything
Yes.
that we taught team members at Smart VAs. Kaya ang ganda talaga ng pagkakabuo ng courses sa Smart VAs Academy because it's really based on how we applied it sa client work. And speaking of client work, Brent, ilan na yung clients mo ngayon?
Di ko na po alam.
Kaya
Dami na.
overloaded ka na.
Hindi na mabilang.
I
Sige,
think
malaman mo sila without mentioning
ano.
their names.
Okay.
Baka maagaw pag mention. Ilan na yung clients mo?
M, S, G,
O, diba initials na? Internal pa.
Doctor. Yes, internal team. Then, may one-off task pa ako ngayon. Wait. And, siguro 7 or 8 po. Hindi ko na
7
maalala.
or 8
Diba?
clients.
Ang
Yes.
galing.
Kailan ka nag-take ng course?
Neto lang pong, actually bare months po last year. Then,
Last year.
6 months.
And then we had our coaching session kasi yun nga ba, mga bandang, alam ko this year yun no? Yung coaching session. Yun.
So, nakapasok ka sa Smart VAs after the coaching session, Brent?
Hindi.
Mga ilang months after
Kailan ka
that.
nag-start sa Smart VAs? When were you officially hired?
April po.
April,
Ayun, diba?
May, June. So, magti 3 months ka pa
3
lang, 8
months,
clients
diba?
ka na.
Yes po.
Grabe yung potential din kasi ni
grabe.
Brent. Diba?
Actually,
yung potential ng mga nag-take ng course natin. Yun nga sabi diba ni Brent kanina, na yung course natin is for basic siya, matututunan mo siya as an aspiring virtual assistant dahil basic yung ituturo, pero expandable siya, which is applicable sa Smart VAs. Dahil yung tinuturo namin dito sa mga courses namin is yung actual na ginagawa din sa Smart VAs with our clients. So that's why sinabi nga ni Brent, expandable siya and applicable to clients talaga. Dahil doon talaga namin finit yung mga courses namin. And as an aspiring virtual assistant, you have the potential, like Brent, diba? Coming from an IT industry or coming from being a fresh grad in IT, diba? Tapos naging social media manager. Doon ako nag-curious paano ka nag-transition?
Totoo yun. Ang galing
Paano ka nagkaroon ng ng thinking na, ay, magta-transition ako to social media management.
Mm-mm.
Parang gano'n.
So, ayun, sa transitioning ko na yun, yun na kasi napag-isip-isip ko during that time. So, ayun nga, since sobrang walang opportunity for me sa akin sa IT industry. So, ayun, narinig ko yung social media management. So, social media. Social media na since high school pa lang, 'di ba? Parang part of life na natin yung yung social media. Parang everyday life with messaging, interacting with friends or family. So, why not silipin ko yung work na parang magagamit ko rin yung social media. So, yun. Nag-apply ako sa academy and ayun, napag-connect ko actually lahat ng basics na alam ko na throughout sa pag-aaral ko sa school sa paggamit ng different websites ng softwares for editing like Canva, CapCut, and yung mga social media. So, ayun, ang galing lang kasi nung course na na social media management kasi parang hindi ko alam na kaya ko pala yung social media management na na-surprise din ako sa fact na yun. So, ayun. Kaya, pinurso ko yung path na to.
Meron
Oo,
ka bang
pero,
mga sorry Adi, meron ka bang mga
sige po.
courses or ibang software na inaral, Brent? Kasi in relation to what Adi shared nga, parang ang layo eh. Actually, nung we were talking about you being new at Smart VAs, parang pagtingin namin ng portfolio mo, IT tapos SOCMED, di ba? May yung mga iba pang tools or software na inaral mo for you to be able to be prepared for that role na hindi naman talaga directly connected from where you were or what you studied during
Mm,
college.
ayun, more on more on programming po talaga. So, mga Visual Studio Code, mga coding and Figma, mga designing. So, sobrang broad talaga kasi sobrang confident ako nun sa IT. Kasi ayun nga, I'm doing good sa school. Sobrang yung grades ko is talagang mataas siya pagdating sa programming. Pero ayun nga, nasampal tayo ng reality nung pagka-graduate, naghahanap ng trabaho. So, magaling sa school. Sobrang, medyo nag-excel sa school pero pagdating sa job application, experience pa rin talaga yung hanap nila. So, ay,
Pero 'di ba you said na may hobby ka din, 'di ba? Like yung nanonood ka ng vlogs, ganyan, or mga videos, and parang sort of syempre sa course mo din may mga design din. So parang sort of in a way creative ka na din 'di ba, as a person.
yes po.
So
Parang,
do you recommend like yung social media management course as a path for a virtual assistant na papasok ka dun, creative ka na ba talaga dapat, or kahit hindi ka pa naman creative, okay pa naman siya as starting point mo as virtual assistant?
okay pa naman siya. Kahit hindi ka pa sobrang creative person, ayos na ayos siya. Kung gusto mo actually kasi social media ang pinaka masisilip mo kasi dapat is yung parang kung paano nag-work yung social media. So, yung designing is naaral siya eh. Actually, 1 week kaya mo na mag-design kung magpo-focus ka sa designing. Pero yung social media itself, like, paano nga ba nag-work yung social media? Paano nga ba lalabas tong post na to? Yung algorithm. And, ayun, yung buong system ng social media. Kung paano mo mapaportray yung mga contents, kung anong music yung gagamitin mo, anong captions, anong hashtags. Parang sobrang laking tulong nun. Para, yun yung parang parang pinaka kailangan sa social media management.
Ang ganda nung puhunan na yan, no? Sorry, ano ba naman tong may sabit pa tayo for today's video? Mapapupuno tayo ng bloopers talaga today. Ang ganda lang kasi talaga sobrang creative si Brent. I think that's how he was able to connect, his course or him being an IT graduate, the feeling natin sobrang hindi related sa social media into what he does right now. And, we're gonna drop the link to Smart VA's team's Facebook page, which is our recruitment page. And the reason why gusto ko i-drop yung link na yan sa thread nitong live natin for today is because lahat ng nakikita nyo sa Smart VA's team, si Brent yung may gawa nun.
Yes.
Yung
Yes, galing.
possibilities talaga ng pwede nyong matutunan sa Smart VA's social media management course, lahat yan makikita nyo na ina-apply ni Brent sa Smart VA's team. As in, no filter. Si Brent gumagawa ng caption, ng hashtag, siya yung pumipili ng music, siya yung nag-edit ng video, siya yung nag-create ng graphics. So, grabe yung, ang galing, ang galing. Makikita
Yes.
nyo talaga. Kaya sobrang, sa amin internally, siyempre for us, because we know Brent, as one of our team members. And Adi knows Brent. Adi and Miguel, our course instructor, but they know Brent as one of our students. Sobrang proud talaga kami sa growth ni Brent from being a
Yes.
fresh grad, na-reject, pero nag-take ng course, tapos nag-apply ulit, 'di ba? Tapos ayan na siya ngayon,
Exactly.
8 clients.
8
Kung hindi
clients.
pa nga yan sa clients ngayon, binibigyan pa yan ng clients. Siya rin nagsasabing, hindi ko na po kaya magkaroon pa ng additional clients. Ang dream lang niya nun maging full-time, Ngayon, more than full-time, may OT pa siya. Ang
Kaya
galing,
nga po.
nakakatuwa. Ang galing-galing
Yeah.
kasi. Ang ganda talaga nung ginagawa ni Brent. So, check out our page, Smart VA, sa Smart VA's team para makita niyo what Brent does. And hopefully, that inspires you to also take that leap of faith and try it out. Ang
Mm.
maganda din kasi dun sa course, is because you'd be asked to submit. I'm not sure if they know this, but once you take the course, you'd be asked to submit your work. Tama ba, Adi? Can you share a little about that?
Sa
And
yung part ng course, I think Brent can also say din naman. Yung part ng course yung sa huli na yan, or um isa mga individual courses. Meron tayong mga templates na sinishare, syempre,
Yes.
sa mga sa mga students natin. And yung mga templates na yon, they're activities na binibigay natin for students that they have to fill out, 'di ba? For example, pwedeng ikaw na lang yung mag-share para Brent, para at least, 'di ba, first time
para
as a
totoong
student.
experience, di ba?
Oo,
Ah,
ano ba yung mga favorite na natutunan mo sa Smart VA's academy course sa social media management, and also yung experience mo as a student there, and kung ano yung mga resources or um, mga na-apply mo din sa Smart VAs dun sa course na take mo sa academy.
okay. So, throughout the course, may after each topic, may kasi syempre iba-ibang topics 'yon, and after after topic, may ibibigay na file which is downloadable siya, and makikita mo dun kung paano ka mag-start sa clients, especially yung mga questions na kailangan. So, especially sa branding or sa ano ng company, sa voice ng company, kung paano niya gustong ma-portray yung company, paano mo i-represent yung company as a social media manager. Andun yung lahat, and sa designing, yung mga colors, mga fonts na kailangan. So, ayun, parang sobrang kayang-kaya mo na talaga siyang gawin, actually, after mo makuha yung mga files na yun. Kasi andun na lahat eh. Kumbaga, i-edit or i-modify mo na lang yun according sa style mo. Kung paano mo siya itatanong sa client and kukunin sa client.
Yes, and then syempre yung mga resources na yun, doon nyo lang siya ma-access sa Smart VA's Academy course sa social media management. And bibigyan namin kayo doon ng templates na actually ginagamit din talaga sa Smart VAs, which is yung branding guidelines or yung pati yung social media
calendar,
calendar,
yung
ganyan,
calendar.
direct
Yes.
templates, ganyan. So that's actually our resource talaga sa Smart VAs, which we will share sa inyo with, 'di ba, yung price ng Academy ngayon, which is nasa introductory price pa lang. So get that chance or opportunity na din sa mga viewers ngayon na you're aspiring to become a virtual assistant, and tingin nyo social media management is also for you, 'di ba? You're very
Is
social media savvy, 'di ba, ganun. Pwede kayong
hindi
mag-take
nyo alam, kaya nyo na palang gawin. Unconsciously, kaya nyo yung mga
Oo,
skills.
'di ba?
Di ba?
'Di ba?
Parang,
Coming from Brent, 'di ba, which is from IT tapos social media management,
yes.
'di ba?
Parang
So,
may tutulungan kayo ng academy para ma-organize yung mga skill sets nyo para
yes.
yun,
Ang ganda, ang
para
galing, ang
ma-turn
galing.
sa
And
productivity.
coming from that, Brent, ano naman yung tip or tips na mabibigay mo sa mga aspiring freelancers na someone like you before, di ba?
Mm-mm.
How would they start or how should they start their VA career? Anong advice yun?
Ang advice ko sa kanila is work for free. Talaga. Sobrang laking tulong nun. Work for free, may allowance or wala. Work for free. Kunin nyo yung experience, kunin nyo halimbawa, may kamag-anak kayo or something na friend na may small business and wala silang social media and pwede namang i-deliver sa malayo yung mga binibenta nila. So why not promote mo? Gawan mo sila ng page, kunin mo yung mga pictures nila, turn mo into graphics, lagyan mo ng text. Kumbaga i-advertise mo yung products nila sa social media. And ayun, siguro for a month, solid na yung portfolio mo. Upload ka ng 3 times a week. Sobrang solid na ng portfolio mo. Mapapakita mo na yun sa mga applyan mo, sa clients or sa agencies na applyan mo. So, yun yung ginawa ko eh. Yun yung hack na ginawa ko. So, nag-manage ako ng social media, which is pharmacy yun. And yun, nag-edit ako ng mga products nila, yung mga gamot, ina-advertise ko sa Facebook. Kasi Facebook yun and probinsya yung lugar nila. So, sobrang challenging. Pero, ayun, nakatulong naman siya ng sobra sa akin para ma-build yung portfolio ko.
Oh, so you built your portfolio by offering your services. Eh, ang galing, ngayon ko lang narinig yun na-shock ako, hindi, na-zoom in kasi kay Brent kanina.
Yes.
Hindi nakita ng mga viewers. Na-shock ako, hindi kami nagpe-prepare. Just to prove, hindi scripted yung mga live natin. Na-shock ako kasi sinabi ni Brent na free work. Sabi ko, free work, ngayon ko lang narinig yun. Ang galing, ang galing. Ang galing ng tip ni Brent na coming
Kasi,
from.
ayun, ako po kasi hindi ko kayang gumawa ng portfolio na walang goal. Hindi ko kayang mag-work ng walang direction.
Ang hirap mag-take ng portfolio.
Yes. Kaya something na may magsa-service ako for someone. Parang yun yung
ang galing. Ang galing nun Hindi ko naisip yun. Medyo na-shocked ako nun. Uy, meron akong phone-in question. Hi, Jong. Jong is one of our team members and teammates.
Hello, Sir Jong.
Hindi na kasi drain up dun sa hindi na drain up sa live chat yung question. Pero may question siya for you. Hello, Brent.
Hello, Sir Jong. Grabe ka.
Sabi ni Jong, how did you, Brent, overcome yung nervous mo sa first day of work mo? And what made you feel comfortable working at SmartWays? Ang ganda ng question.
Magandang question yan, Sir Jong. Actually, gusto kong maging nervous nung time na first day ko sa SmartVAs. Gusto kong kabahan, pero hindi ko napifeel eh. Kasi yung welcoming ng mga tao, sobrang kakaiba. Sobrang yung mga greetings nila. So parang kahit gusto mong kabahan, parang hindi mo feel yun around sa mga kasama sa SmartVAs. So ayun yung isang magandang fact. Kasi nasusunod talaga yung core values ng SmartVAs.
Oh. Yes. Adding core
values. Alam mo, kakaiba to kay Brent kasi hindi siya kinakabahan ng first day niya, tapos nag-offer siya ng free. Ibang level ka.
Oh, grabe ka,
Gusto ko pong kabahan nung time na first day kasi syempre, nahihiya po ako sa mga kasama and bago lang po ako. Pero parang hindi po talaga ako kinabahan during that time. Yun po yung kahit ako hindi ko rin po alam kung bakit.
So, parang kasing ganito lang di ba? Parang nag-uusap lang kayo as
sobrang casual lang po. Kumbaga walang kahit yung mga upper po, parang hindi mo ma-feel sa kanila yung superiority.
Pero when it comes to clients, paano ka nag-adjust doon? Dahil syempre, student ka, fresh grad ka, di ba? Tapos syempre di ka naman experience sa US clients or sa foreign clients. So paano ka nag-adjust sa ganung situation?
Sa ganong situation po, actually during that time, yung TikTok ko po is how to talk with the client. Parang yung mga experience VAs sa TikToks na nag-share ng contents. Parang yun nga po, hindi naman sobrang bossy ng mga clients sila. Parang, ganito ba talaga? So, ayun, nung na-experience ko siya, sobrang casual lang naman ng mga clients. Sasagot ka lang naman and magtatanong lang din kung may kailangan pa. Parang hindi naman sila yung parang gigisahin ka every time na ipapagawa sa'yo. Parang, ayun, yung client is ang dapat kasing mindset pag may kipag-usap sa client is si client kailangan ng tulong, hindi sila nag-uutos. Hindi sila nag-uutos lang. Kailangan talaga nila ng tulong. And so, yun, kailangan mo makipag-cooperate para mabigay yung best output para sa company nila.
You know,
Nice.
one thing that I hear from what Brent has shared since we started our live for this afternoon is how he is very much willing to learn. 'Di ba kung paano siya na-reject
Mm-mm.
tapos nag-take ng course, tapos habang hinihintay niya yung na matapos yung course and ma-build yung portfolio niya by offering his services for free, he also went into TikTok to learn how to talk to clients.
Yeah.
Ang galing. Alam mo, I mentioned this to some of my friends who messaged me about opportunity of becoming a VA. And just to share my background, I've been in the industry since I don't ano ba yan? I've been in the BPO industry since I finished school. So I graduated psychology in my degree in psychology, and then nag-call center agent ako because it was the easiest way into not having any experience, 'di ba? Uh, pero dun sa years na yun sa BPO experience, ang dami ko rin na-meet. So when I started talking about being a freelancer online, they'd always message me na gusto din na mag-apply. And what I'd always say is, ang puhunan mo talaga sa pag-shift from working elsewhere into becoming a freelancer is mag-aral ka. And I
Yeah.
saw that and I hear that from what Brent was sharing with us today. Talagang mag-aral ka. You need to invest in yourself, whether you work in an agency like Smart VAs or other agencies or direct to client. You have to invest on your skill set, on your personality, kung ibebenta mo yung sarili mo sa client, which we spoke about with Christy before sa ibang live session, di ba? Or even during your interview, kung mag apply ka sa company, di ba? Or with your client, kailangan ma-improve mo din yung sarili mo. And with how Brent did that, from the Smart VAs Academy social media management course to watching TikTok videos, which we also have on YouTube, diba? You'd really be able to jumpstart your VA career. Thank you so much, Brent, for
Yes.
Yes po.
sharing.
Thank you din po sa
That's actually
sa
great.
academy.
And then
Sobrang nakatulong.
kasi 'di ba, yun nga 'di ba, yung essence ng learning talaga is kailangan mo as an aspiring virtual assistant, lalo na coming from different industry, and then you will aspire to become a freelancer or a virtual assistant. Doon din ako nagsimula actually, 'di ba? From learning
Wala din
skills
experience,
talaga.
di ba,
Oo, wala
Adi?
akong
Accounting graduate to si
Oo,
Adi
accounting
tapos
graduate
nag-freelance
ako.
eh.
So parang ang layo din, 'di ba? So
Mm.
kaya ako naging virtual assistant dahil learning talaga. Learning is the key, and and yung kailangan talaga natin when it comes to switching yung path natin or yung journey natin to become a virtual assistant. And maraming resources out there, 'di ba? Like sa YouTube, maraming mga free courses, marami ding mga platforms na nag-offer ng mga courses sila. But here in Smart VAs Academy, we're offering you yung mga courses namin is actual application namin na ginagawa sa Smart VAs. And that's also why we're pushing this Smart VAs Academy, or why we're doing Smart VAs Academy, Smart VAs Academy's courses, is because we want you as a starter for this kind of journey or this kind of path na iti-take ninyo to have the basics, the foundation na sabi nga ni Brent, di ba, expandable, na you can apply to clients na. And then you can also apply to Smart VAs after you took the course, di ba? And yung experience si Brent ngayon na coming from an IT industry or IT graduate, fresh grad, without experience doing the learnings that he should do, and then taking Smart VAs Academy's course na social media management, and then becoming a virtual assistant right now, 'di ba? Today, currently with 8 clients, 'di ba? Sobrang nakaka-proud, Brent, dahil from ano pa lang from group coaching natin nung last time, 'di ba? As a student pa lang ikaw sa academy, we saw the potential ng mga students na nandun sa coaching na yon, coaching session. And we have also one student na nandun sa coaching session na yon na naging virtual assistant na din ngayon and
Ng
direct to
client ng
client
Smart
siya,
VAs.
'di ba? Pero client ng Smart VAs. So yun yung nakaka-proud sa mga students
Nanonood
natin
ka man, chill.
sa
Baka pwede
academy.
ka namin guest sa susunod.
Oo, chilling. Anong pronunciation ng ano niya, ng name?
Chill, si Chill. Chill.
Chill.
Alam mo, nagulat ako. And that's funny how that revelation came about. Um, I was in a meeting with that client. I joined the
Mm.
meeting of that client kasi. Tapos nag-send ako ng screenshot sa team nung meeting na yun kasi ang saya nung meeting. Tapos si Adi yata yung nag-react. Sabi niya, student natin yung isa dyan. As in,
Si Miguel
he came.
ata tapos
Si Miguel
oo,
kasi
siya
nga
yung
siya yung nag-coach. So gulat na gulat kami and he didn't know na client ng Smart VAs yon. Hindi rin naman hindi ko rin
ang
naman alam na
galing.
estudyante namin siya kung hindi ko na share yon. Pero 'di ba, it shows lang the success really of
Yes.
what you can achieve through the course of Smart VAs Academy. And I hope, that this session, thank you again, Brent, for being willing to share your story. Again, we're so proud of you.
Thank you po.
Lalo na si Lexi, si Sir Lexi, or si Kuya Bell, however you wanna
Kuya
call
Bel.
him, di ba? He's super proud of what you're able to achieve and what you will be able to achieve pa sa Smart VAs and even after hopefully wag naman agad, 'di ba? After your your journey with us at Smart VAs. I hope this live session inspires you. Ikaw, kung wala ka pang
Yeah.
experience as a VA, yung mga nagme-message sa akin, yung mga nagme-message kay Adi or kung kanino man diba sa Smart VAs, paano ba ako mag-a-apply dyan? Ito kasi talaga yung sagot doon. Invest in yourself.
Learn.
Get the skills that you need by taking courses that would really be of value add to your skill set and your portfolio. Our goal at Smart VAs Academy is to be able to help aspiring freelancers kickstart their journey and have the basics that they would need for them to start working as a freelancer. And if you have any questions for us after this live, open ang aming inbox. We will be seeing you guys in the next 2 weeks as we go live again. Sana
Yes.
na-enjoy nyo. I had so much fun today with Brent and Adi. I hope you guys enjoyed
Yes.
today's session. Thank you sa ating 13 viewers. Sa ngayon, we have
Thank you
13.
everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Ay
Enjoy
wala
your
yung cellphone ko dun
weekend.
ah.
Pag nag-join pa yung
Oo.
cellphone ni Adi, 14. Thank you,
Thank you everyone for
everyone. Thank you,
watching.
Thank
Adi
Thank you
and
you.
Brent.
Brent.
Thank
Thank
you
you, Sir
Miss
Adi.
Reg.
Thank you, Miss Reg.
Bye bye.
Bye.